I'm Erik Naso with NewsShooter.com, and we are here at NAB 2019. I'm at the Blackmagic booth, and I'm with Bob. How you doing today, Bob?
I'm doing great, thanks.
We have an exciting new accessory for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K.
Correct. It's the Blackmagic battery grip. So what we know is that people are using a lot of the SSDs, external SSDs, and that really drains the battery, plus, phantom power, things like that. So in order to provide some better power, we have this new grip. So the grip screws onto the bottom. It has a way to take the battery door off, and it slides into there. So it's a really good fit, but also the best part is, like, if this were on a tripod, I could actually I can replace batteries by pulling out this, there we go, pulling it out and putting in the batteries. Now these are the Sony L type batteries, and you can get about 2 hours of battery with these two. Mm-hmm. So it's really cool. And it also gives you metering on screen to show that how much is left on each of the two batteries once it's inside.
Now, why the decision to go with the Sony type batteries as opposed to the LP-E6? Because obviously, if bought the camera, they probably, and we all know the battery doesn't last too long. This is a pretty power-hungry camera. If they bought like 6 or 7 batteries, they're going to need another charger. Did you guys decide to go with the bigger battery because of that fact that it does have longer life?
That was the idea. We really wanted to see what we could do that would be still a common battery, but also get the most battery power we could in a small form factor.
Fantastic. And when are we going to be seeing this out, and what's the price point?
Right. So these are $245, and we'll be shipping them in August. And of course, you can always get more information at blackmagicdesign.com.
Excellent. Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it.
Thank you.